Are you not seeing the mother? No. Who was that? That stupid girl's mother. Mudala.
She came for the Muga guest.
She came for Muga now. Do you know that my daughter was right to have said that these people came from family of witches? Because witches and wizards is written all over their faces. Once I spot a witch, I know. Once I spot a wizard, I know. There's something in me that knows them. Mama, let me tell you something. Oh, she wants to bring her own mother. If we go competition, you see, competition will kill that girl. But because she saw my mom, she now went to go and bring her own mother. I ain't messing in competition. That competition will not work. Nobody can compete with me because I am here and I have come to stay. Let them bring it on. Thank God I know how to deal with witches and wizards.
Yes.
Give it to them. I will deal with them. By the time I finish dealing with them, they will leave this compound by fire, by force.
Yes. Mama, the mama. No leave, no transfer.
Let them try me. Imagine. Oh, she invited her mother too. This woman looks like a witch. Witch?
But she fine. She fine like you.
Fine, Gene. I don't even have time to look at her ugly face. Hold on. Someone that's not finished feeding herself. Feeding well, went to go and bring her own mother. Went to go and bring her wretched mother just because she saw my mom. How would they manage to So feed? We can start competing again?
I'll do report.
Hey!
That will deal with them.
I'll do report. Competition will finish that girl. Hey! Mama. Jealousy. Envy. I got me pure no. My fear. I am going to cut it that long cap him out. I trust you, Mama. Hey! I trust you not to take chances.
Me? Give it to them. Until they hot.
You will hear our story. It's not for the beginning. Angela. Don't worry, you will hear our story. You got no there. Jesus, so but all get there.
Say thank God, glory be to God.
Amen.
Hey, Agidi Bangma.
Or the Ghanaian. Hey, Mama.
Hey,
Mama, you shouldn't have bothered yourself coming with all those food stocks.
Also, my in-law. So you mean I should come all the way from the village, empty-handed, to see my daughter that just put to bed? To fear what? Now.
Mama.
Hey, my dear.
Don't worry yourself. Obim, why are you talking like this? You and I know we need this food stuff.
You are missing the point here. It's not like we don't need the foodstuffs. We need them. Especially now that we are in the Mogo period. But, you know, it's our responsibility. Mama shouldn't have that herself come in.
It is my responsibility. It is the responsibility of a mother and the father to provide for their children. Eh?
Yes, and I'm a baby.
Yes.
Mama,
I'm a baby.
I'm no longer my baby.
My mother's baby.
Yes, sir. You are still my baby. She is my daughter. You are my son. So it's my responsibility.
Don't stress yourself. Thank you for the food stuff.
Thank you, my dear.
Mama, thank you very much. Okay, good forever.
Yazemi marama Chimu idebubeo Idirimo kono aya ewo Jehovah bu Chineke Onye nefe Tribo tutu n'ibo kaka Chukwu onye na-aza moku Onye ga-ebere onye ọbịa ribo tito ekele mo ewo Igwe eze nke ndeze Igwe onye ukwu n'ọgbara biko ribo tutu n'ibo kaka Chimi mara mma mara mma Chukwu ịdị ebube o Idiri m oke ọnụ ahịa ewo Jehova bụ Chineke onye mụ na-efe Tribo tutu n'ibo kaka Eze m ịmara mma ịmara mma Chukwu ịdị ebube o Idiri m oke ọnụ ahịa ewo Jehova bụ Chineke
Kata no dey tire you, troubles no dey tire you. You be trouble woman no. Anytime you enter na wahala, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter, talk am now no. Shakala busy body, busy they look for what trouble dey. Shakala busy body, busy they look for what trouble. Her name una Rosa, come make you see Rosa.
What's so? Bala. Let me see. I'm going to come close. I want to buy baby's hanger. They cannot buy. He's coming here down for us to start dragging space to spread my own wrapper. I'm no man. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Who could do this? Who did this? Hey! You see this woman, if she ever touch my wrapper, what I will do to her, eh? If you give me the money. Oh, I trust you. Wait first, let me give her some time. Let me just watch and see exactly what she wants to do. Now come marry her to me. What sort of nonsense is this? Who could be this callous? Oh my God. Who did this? Who could be this callous?
Mama, what is it?
My daughter, can you imagine? I just washed baby clothes. I spread it on this rope just now. Came and squeezed it to one corner. What kind of nonsense is this?
And the clothes are not even dry.
I just washed this clothes a moment ago. Huh?
Haba.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Oh, this is not nice now.
I don't know how some people could be so stupid and senseless. What sort of nonsense? Eh? What impetus? Okay.
Mama, sorry. It's okay.
No problem, thank you. Let me see that place. That stupid person again.
Let me see. See. Look at what she's doing. She's touching my wrapper. She's touching my wrapper.
She's no longer talking. Maybe you should go and check if she
Hey. Let me wait and watch first.
Mama, don't wait though. It's better you go and see whether she has touched your wrapper. Because she's not talking again. She said, no, you don't know. Let me just catch her right and then let me watch and see what she wants to do. Then by the time I will pounce on her, she will not have the mouth to tell the story. Don't have
What? What nonsense is this? Eh? Oh, bish. Let me see anybody that come and touch my wrapper here again. Spreading nonsense, baby.
Jesus Christ. Woman, are you mad or something? It is you and your entire generation that are mad. You are a witch. Stupid woman. Look if I'm mad. Why did you throw my baby's clothes on the floor? Why did you squeeze my wrapper at a corner? But I was the first that spread baby's clothes on this rope. Yes. Baby's clothes are made to be hanged on baby's hanger, not where adults are hanging their clothes. So don't use that as a stupid excuse to come and occupy space here. I'll try it next time. So, as I don't have money to buy baby hanger, won't I spray my clothes again? Mama Ogugwa, will look for space and hang your baby's clothes. If you like, climb on top of the ceiling, hang it there. Go on top of the roof, hang your baby's clothes. I don't care. Mama, don't come and use that as an excuse to block space here. In a minute now, Baggy. Nonsense. So this is the reason you threw it on the ground? Yes, oh yes. Thank you. Yeah, Chilia, I will not do anything. So what? Chilia, you cannot do anything after all. So Chilu your rag and get out of this place, Biko. Stop looking at me. You cannot do anything because if you try nonsense, I will squeeze your neck and I will beat you. Emmanuel, rubbish. It is me and you. It's me and you in this compound. I know. If she does any stupid thing, I would. You know what I would do? You will finish. She doesn't even know who I am. By the time I finish dealing with her, if lazy, she will pick her teeth on the floor. She doesn't know who Mama Rosa. Mama Rosa. Mama Rosa. You don't have rest. Yes, rest. Rest, so I got your back. Just sit down and eat your husband's money. And let me do the talking and fighting at the same time. Hey, Mama. She has not seen anything. Mama, you need a life. Like beer. Life beer. My boss told me with them life beer. Chill. Mama, you mean she threw my baby's clothes on the floor? My daughter, yes. Is that how they behave? Behaving like a mad woman.
Mama, don't worry yourself. Thank God my baby is sleeping.
Where are you going? Mama, wait. Come back. What have I done? Am I not supposed to tell her? Come, please, come back. Hey. Okay. In the yard! I want to know the idiots that threw my baby's clothes on the floor. I'm asking a question, who is that Onuku that threw my baby's clothes on the floor? If you know you are that idiot, come and face me. Because the last time I checked, I didn't go neighbor. We all pay our rent. And what do I rent give away? Who has the guts to come and remove my baby's clothes? I want to know. If you know you're the person, come out, Mama, the action woman has no. She has not seen anything. Only to torment me anyhow, thinking, this one she cannot. Okay. They don't know you have mother. They don't know. I will chalacha for that matter. Hey! By the time I finish dealing with that woman, she will dance naked in the market square. She should go and ask of me. Mama, wait. The idiot has gone to call her police. Police. She went to call police. Then I will beat her and beat the police. I will beat her and beat police. One day, this fight cannot pass me by. I want to join you. Baby, he's sleeping. What if he wakes up now? He will not wake up now because let's go. Let me go. Mama, wait for me. Hey! Asina! Imano Gibo, come out and face me. Inapola. Eh? Bia or Google or whatever they call you. You have no fear to throw my wrapper on the ground.
Inasu kanjinoka.
Eh?
You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Agadi na go. So you have the guts to throw my baby's clothes on the floor. No, my mother. So this is what you're doing. This is what you're doing. Eh? So you disrespected my mother.
It is you that have no shame, because if you have shame and you have respect, you should go and look for baby's hanger and buy and
I don't have money. No, I don't have money. And I will not allow you to poverty shame me.
And you even have the gut to talk.
Yes, I don't have money. I am working hard.
Don't just
I don't sleep around like some people. I don't have sugar daddy. What I cannot buy a rap and you want to go to Mazwoshi.
And who is sleeping around with sugar daddy?
No, I'm
asking you.
You
are very foolish.
This should be the very last time you and your stupid mother will touch my baby.
It is you and your mother that is stupid.
Not just you not having money. You also don't have home training.
Yes, so
look at you now.
Home training also don't have any home training, because if you have home training, you won't have the effrontery to stand there like in Jinoka and be insulting my mother.
Because your mother insulted herself first. You should not try and touch my baby's clothes next time. Oh, listen, what I tell you. Don't dare me, oh. Don't dare me, oh.
Wow, whatever.
About people trouble, man. Don't dare me.
Count of 3. Go and pick my rapper. Go and pick my rapper.
Mama, because respect yourself. Respect yourself, Keriyo. Naija.
Let's avoid trouble.
Which trouble? You think I'm scared of these people?
Imagine.
You think I'm scared of them? Story. 1, 2.
Go and pick my rapper.
I'm not scared of these people. I've not done anything wrong to them. I spread my baby's clothes. I be a copy of Hannah Chobo.
Go and spread your baby's clothes. I don't stop using this place. And cause rubbish.
Madam, I don't have hunger.
3. Go and pick my rapper.
Mama Rosa. But you're the one looking for trouble here. I wonder. How can you come into a company you don't even know and you be acting like the landlady?
Yeah.
Shut up!
Gloria, or whatever they call you, you are in my bad hand.
Please take your mother in.
This hand does not have control. I will forget it on your face.
Just take your mother in. Take your mother in. If you like trouble too much, who gave her the right to come and put somebody's clothes on the ground?
Stop pointing at me.
If
you try it,
Rosa, you and your mother are doing too much in this compound. And if this continues, I will have no choice than to invite the landlord. I will watch it to the landlord.
Thunder will bend your mouth.
Don't bite your mouth.
You are a jealous man, and jealousy will kill you. Evil man, evil imagination. If you are in the village, you'll be giving people poison. I know your type. Mama,
rubbish.
Mama,
wicked man.
Mama, calm down. Look at the faces of these people. That you got to wonder that we are exchanging words with. We can't stand here and be exchanging words with people that we can actually feed well. And even pay their rents. If I feel too generous, I will pay you people's rent.
Yes, sir.
Mama, let's go.
No, don't go. You would have stayed here 5 more minutes. You will see yourself in mortuary. Don't go.
Uncle Gwa.
Don't go.
It is your corpse. The corpse of that newborn baby you just better. Your husband and yourself, including this your mother here, that will enter mortuary.
Yes, sir. Yes. All of you.
I already a walking corpse.
These people will enter mortuary. We are all paying the same rent. Every time we are go and build your own duplex. Everybody wants a duplex. We have the same rent in this couple. You cannot intimidate us. You go to cheap wig. You be able
to Malaysia.
Don't worry, try me next.
Mama, calm down. Oh, do the calms. Just take calm.
Why did you ask me to leave that girl? Eh? Why didn't you allow me to deal with that girl very well?
Mama, did you not see that the whole tenants were against us? If we had tried any nonsense there, they would beat us silly. That was how they gang up the other time to beat me to stupor in this compound. I almost died. I know what
But what exactly are you and your husband still doing in this compound? Eh? What are you people still doing here?
Mama, I understand you. My husband was dulling before, but I've gingered him up. And he's planning and saving seriously towards us moving out. So don't worry, we are on it. By next month end, we won't be in this compound again.
Okay,
I don't belong here now. We're moving to our mansion. I can't be living in this kind of face me I face you with all these classless, dirty people. every day fighting and quarreling. No. We are moving on. But before we do that, I have taken it as a personal decision to make sure I frustrate the living daylight out of that evil woman and her witch doctor.
It's better. It's better. It's better because I don't understand what you are doing in this stupid yard. What is this?
I really do not belong here. I'm too classy for these local people. We're moving to
I'm ready for them. Anyhow, I'm very ready.
Yes, we have to frustrate them before we leave. We shall frustrate them.
What kind of thing is this?
I don't belong here. I know where I belong. I'm too classy to be here. It's just because of the love I have for my husband. That's why I stay here. Mama, let's not end. No, it's settled. It's settled. It's a done deal.
That stupid Rosa has been doing anyhow in this yard, and we have been keeping quiet on her. But you see, this time we are not going to keep quiet. We are going to act. I don't even know what that girl is feeling like. Who does she think she is?
I wonder. Maybe it's the small change, and that small change where the husband they make, now they enter her head. So.
Look, it's high time we involve the landlord in this whole thing.
Yes, sir.
Seriously, this is getting out of hand.
Bam.
This girl just be causing trouble everywhere in this compound. It's too much. She just wants everybody to be afraid of her. And they should go and build her own house now. She should go and build her own house. The landlord needs to hear about this. Seriously.
Talk and well.
This is not good.
Talk and well. Yes.
My daughter, so if they had not stopped you, you would have fought that woman in this condition.
Which condition, Mama? The last time I checked, I'm not sick. I just had a baby. I would have dealt with her since they lack respect. Siadroham.
You people will pack out of this compound. You people will leave this compound. Once your husband comes back, I will tell him. With the kind of hatred I see in that woman and her daughter, they are capable of planning your death or the death of your child.
Oh, Diego, they can't do anything to me. Physically, spiritually, I'm stronger. And most importantly, my hands are clean. Okay, I pack out of this compound because of them. Oh, Diego, reverse will be the case. They should be the one planning to pack out. I
know what I'm talking about. I know, Biko. Please.
Don't worry yourself about them. I will handle them. I'll put them in their place. Don't worry. Hi. Mama, please just rest about this case. Ozugozie. Oh, you know what? Back out for Queen Eliza.
I have to leave this compound.
I'm not leaving. Don't even talk to my husband about leaving this compound. Bikokwa.
My in-law, I still maintain that you people should pack out of this compound. You people should leave this compound. And you have to be fast about it.
Why? I understand everything you said. I know about the hatred. Yes, I know. It is very obvious.
So you know, why have you people ignored it all this while? Don't you know that such level of hatred makes people to plan death against each other?
We used to be good neighbors, so very friendly. Until that fateful evening, Rosaline came back from nowhere and declared us enemies. She started calling us witches and wizards. Ever since then, it has been war. Only God knows what she was told outside.
Ogom, Biko, I want you people to back out of this compound. If you truly want your family alive, please.
Ogom, I understand what you are saying, and it's very necessary. But the problem is money. You don't like seeing money. Working out is not easy.
Don't worry. What you have to do is that just first make up your mind. I know that God will definitely provide.
Yes, so in God. I believe strongly in God. How much you talk so people can do again?
Just 20,000.
20,000 for 1 week food?
1 week food. Don't you know that my mother is around? Eh? Besides, she's making stew and soup. Will you not eat?
Remember, nobody knows tomorrow. What you used to boast today might disappoint you tomorrow. You don't know who will help you tomorrow. Why can't you chill, cool down, believe in one love? Stop boasting, stop boasting. You are not God, oh.
Go house, stay there for house.
Wait. Wait. Remember that house? I told you something about renting a decent apartment for us. What are you still waiting for? When are we moving in?
What are you? You don't just take my one today.
Calm down. I love you. I love you now. I love you.
Remember, nobody knows tomorrow. What you used to boast today might disappoint
which kind of behavior be that
tomorrow.
Yeah? You carry yourself come company. When you know that they sell ticket, they collect money for company. You open your mouth, they talk make you know say time don't reach where you go come out from an apartment, say you need this apartment. Yeah? You don't say that place where you see once they get it here? Or the manor? Which kind of behavior be that now?
Should I bring speaker, microphone, so you sound it very well, so people will hear?
I don't like this thing where you do. I don't like them. You know say they find out for that place, how would people get at it they behave? Before you know what thing go happen now, they don't put tire for my head, all of them go begin beat me.
I don't know why you are being dramatic right now, because I only spoke in riddles. I wasn't playing. I coded my words.
What's them riddles? What's my riddles? So? Yeah, home was in nursery school, no? Yeah? Why you go do that kind of thing for the first place? Why you go do that kind of behave like that? Why? Odumwa?
Anayo, it's okay. As for me, I didn't say it like that. I did not say it like that.
You don't see it like that. You wear goggle for eye, okay? When telling me you wear goggle for eye, you don't see it like that. What you take see before? No, your eye not open when you come that place. They talk nonsense. No put you for trouble, bro.
Now, why are you shouting? Eh? Why you they raise your voice at me?
Chedo, yeah, what you I'm not going to I they talk nonsense.
Yes,
Okay?
I'm shouting.
More talk nonsense. That's a matter.
Kata no dey tire you, troubles no dey tire you. You be trouble woman, no. Anytime you enter na wahala, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now.
I heard your husband's voice from outside. What is the problem?
Are you minding that I don't even want to call him names? Eh? Very simple. That I only advised him to be stealing money from his company. Since the company does not know how much they make in a day. So he can hasten up for us to pack out of this nonsense place. He got offended. How? Eh? Mama? No, Mama, look at me. No, look at me very well. Look at my skin, look at my color. You know how classy I am? With my golden child. Are we supposed to be living in this kind of face me, I face you apartment with all these witches and wizards people? Eh? No, this man wants me to keep fighting principalities and powers all in the name of staying in this face me, I face you. Does my mates, people like me, did I live in this kind of place? No, Mama, did I live in this kind of place? Simply because I married this man out of love. He doesn't want to appreciate it. Eh, Mama? No, tell me how I wronged him. How?
I thought you said he has started doing it already.
Yes, so Mama. He has started. Just that I went to his office earlier today to collect money for weekend food. And I now mistakenly reminded him It was just the two of us. But I wanted him to hasten up and and to be stealing a good amount of money. So we can move out immediately. Eh? That is why he has been shouting.
Is that why he's shouting?
And why would I raise up the topic in his office? But it was just the both of us, Mama.
Rafonia no Jiroku. And he came back here. He was he's not even happy that he saw somebody that advised him to be getting money. Or no office without doing anything.
I want this man to level up. But it seems like as if he likes to he
must level up whether he likes it or not. Don't you people back out of this place. They will do nonsense there.
I'll just leave him. Mama, I will leave him and go back to our house.
No, Mba. You will not go back to your father's house. You will live here and stay with him. He's your husband. But what I'm saying is this, you people should talk to him so that he will hasten up and back out of this compound.
Maybe you have to put mouth in this thing.
I will not put mouth. You know me now.
I want him to be an agbabola like others.
You know me. If I put mouth, he will not like himself again. So, Okama just be talking to him quietly like his wife. Just make sure that he gets the money so that
I'm trying to, make him level up like others.
He must learn how to level up. Anyhow. On their koala.
Hey, what's it put you for this kind of condition? If you ask me, who I go ask? My brother see me now. What's the way go happen to any man for this life? Like you marry woman with people, you don't get sense. You can fall in love with woman we get long throat. See how Roger don't finally finish me. Roger don't finish me.
So, what you want to do now?
I know what I go do. What I go do, I go sit down waiting for police to come there.
No. See what you go do now. Rush go your house now. Pick one or two things now for your house. Collect one or two things. Okay. Rush, no go your village. If you hear what I talk, go if na last settlement. Go that place. Go hide your face. No allow anybody to see. They go hide.
Wait. What about my family?
You leave your family. Save yourself first. Hello. Go. Do fast. Good.
What is it? Anayo, who is chasing you?
Please check outside, Biko.
So easy. I saw a bike man waiting.
A bike man? Who police well?
I don't know for that. Anayo! Come! Where do you think you're going to? Who is chasing you?
Who's going to talk without one? Where did they bring that kind of talk?
Anayo, as your wife, I command you now. Tell me who is chasing you.
Okay, you command me. Okwe?
Because you're not living here without telling me.
I don't get time for rubbish. I see as I dey here now, I don't get time. If I reach where they go, I go call you for phone.
Uzulori, why is he running like that?
Hey! Anayo! If anybody stop. Hey!
If I can't get since I'm merely going, nobody even knows where he's going to.
Hey, where are you going to? Why do you want to embarrass me?
Rosaline, I don't get time for this rubbish.
You have to reduce your voice. Come rest. That is why.
Hold it there. We are trying to go. You are trying to run away from your crime.
Are they crazy?
Impossible.
Which crime? My husband is not a criminal. Are you a criminal? And are you trying to run away?
For what? Are they crazy?
Officer, what are you doing before? Handcuff him.
Handcuff who?
Handcuff.
No.
I'm waiting.
What are you doing?
Okay, wait.
Okay, baby, calm down. Sweetheart. No, don't make trouble with them.
Sweetheart, to go
I am calling the commissioner of police right away.
Hey, she won't call for commissioner.
No, you can't come in here and embarrass my husband.
My advice for you is, this is beyond commissioner power. The order that came is from Abuja. And right away, if you don't act fast and follow us down to state CID, if not from there, he's going to Abuja.
Oh!
In that case, I will call the Inspector General.
Thank you.
Call
commissioner.
I will call
commissioner.
Baby, don't cry.
Move up now.
Go with them.
Move.
I am calling the Inspector.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Let me get
I said move.
It's okay.
Rosa.
Mama.
Oh, wow, Abuja. Abuja, that is foul.
See, every day now for the thief, one day for the honor.
I don't understand. What are you insinuating? Are you trying to tell me that Anayo is a criminal or what?
Now for my mouth, you won't hear that one. Okay, now, haven't you noticed how he's been spending money recklessly since the birth of his child? Huh? He spent money recklessly as if he's the landlord of this compound. Okay, now, come, make I ask you. How much is his salary? How much? Just a mere boss loader. Now.
My brother, I've been seeing it too. But I know that it's Rosa that is doing all these things. She was trying to show her rival, Ogugwa Pepe. At the end of the day, she ended up showing the husband Pepe.
Okay, so they see him.
Abuja is foul.
That saves them, right? Huh.
They said he has been stealing from the company.
Hey! See this life. You see this life. When Rosa was buying all those new things before we had our babies, peppering everybody in this compound, I never knew she was enjoying stolen money. Thank God for today. God has shown us the kind of people they are in this compound. Exactly. And she was busy doing all those inyanga, cursing me, telling me that me and my husband, we don't have anything. Whereas, she's enjoying stolen money. This life, don't envy anybody.
Exactly. My daughter, that young lady and her mother, they are desperate. They are something else. So now, they have succeeded in luring that young man to do.
Mama, I thank God for my life. You see that day that girl brought those baby things, I cried, I was bitter. I was thinking that God doesn't love you. That is why it is good not to envy people. It is good not to compare your journey with anybody's journey. Because the source of whatever they are enjoying, you don't know where it's coming from. It's not only God that gives blessing, even devil may never stop.
Yeah.
See their life now, their Nya, she's outside.
They are terrible human beings.
Right. That is why I always tell you to be contented with the little, with what you have. I'm learning, Mama. I've learned, as a matter of fact. Not all that glitters are gold. At all. Rosa. Hey! How do you?
Mama.
Hey!
I thought you said you call the commissioner. Call him now.
Which commissioner?
I thought you said you call commissioner.
I was only saying that for just talking sake. I don't know any commissioner. In fact, do I even have any commissioner's number?
No, what a commissioner.
Mama, that is not my problem. My major problem now is that there is no money in this house. And very soon, my baby's food will finish.
No money in this house?
Not even one couple.
Hey! Oh, can't see it. You do the omugo bihenka, Is this how people used to go to omugo? Oh, can't see the omugo. Yeah, I can't see where the omugo. How do I make one?
This one where you know the people call. Hey! I also know what I think they happen. No. Hey! And I don't come get the wife number. Hi! Yo, are your people call now? Pick your call. Hi!
Go inside and search. Maybe you see his ATM card.
ATM card. Anayo is not that daft to leave his ATM card behind. He has never done it before. And he can't even do it now. Or do that possible?
Go and search first. Search. Maybe you see his card. You know his number. You might, maybe he mistakenly dropped it.
He
Go.
only give me that card when he needs me to use it to withdraw money or pay for something. And once I am done, he's collecting it. The next question is, where is my ATM card? He can never leave it behind. Or do that possible?
When considering the way he ran out of this house, maybe if he forgot something, he might forgot his wallet or something. You will see the ATM card. Check first. Go do check. Yeah? Go and check.
It's okay.
Go and check. Hey! People will go to Amugo and come back with good things. My own nephew can job and what? God is good. God is good to Kinago. Well, I was telling you to go and check this and this. No. If a mother is talking, you listen and obey your mother.
Here we go. I moved to the bank to transfer all the money.
Zubo, don't waste. Don't even leave a penny there. When can I see leave 1,000? Collect everything.
I'm sure it must be up to 1 million by now.
Fiam, everything finish. Go.
Okay, let me go and get my.
Get what? Don't change it. Don't change your. You will all joke one year back. Don't change. Just.
Mama, let me carry my bag. Now the bag I will use and put it.
Sack, so that you put everything there. We will go to our village. You follow me. We'll pack everything and go to my village. If you get to Owerri, you start business there. Start a new life. Because this Anayo we are talking about, I'm not sure he will come back out of that case alive. To fear. What can much say bad luck? No. Nothing good will come out of this man and Anayo. Onayo, Harry, yo. So!
The vulcanizer. Fill my tires, I beg.
Which one am I pumping?
Check the 4 tires and not the ones to fill up. Which one to fill up?
Alright.
Osita! 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 Ugo! Osita! How far? This is where you're behind it. And your father has been looking for you all over.
My father looking for me?
Of course.
And why is my father looking for me?
Osita, listen, you need to forgive your father. Man. You have to forgive your father, okay? Because as I'm talking to you now, your father is the next king of our community. I know what that means.
Next king. My father be the next king.
It's a long story though, but I break it down to you. You know, the last king never wanted the kingship to shift to the next community according to the kingship rotation. You understand? So the gods started killing them one by one. The king died, and his son refused to ascend the throne. And the elders have decided to take back the kingship to the real family, the SNF family, and your father is the eldest.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, brother.
My father, the next king.
And you, the next prince.
No one knows tomorrow. tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble.
Osita, you need to take me to your house. I mean, I need to know where you stay, since you have refused to follow me home. You go.
I can't follow you to my father just like that. Not after everything he did to me. No, I cannot go back to him that easily. I cannot.
No one knows tomorrow. No one. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble.
Tell me what is good about this afternoon. In fact, tell me one good thing about this afternoon. Others went to Ghana and came back home rich. You went to Ghana and came back home empty-handed. Chey, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Papa.
Eh?
Papa, how many times do I need to explain to you that those boys are rogues? They are fraudsters. They hack people's accounts. Those boys were Yahoo boys. Is that the kind of business you want me to do?
But they are stinkingly rich, isn't it? They are very rich. Eh? Oh. Whatsoever you see them doing, do the same thing and stop giving silly excuses.
Papa. Papa, please. I want us to discuss something very important.
What is more important than that a full-grown man like you have nothing to show for? No kobo, you don't have. No land, no car, no good business. In fact, nothing to show for. Oh my God. You are a waste.
Papa, I'm not a waste. Papa, I'm just coming from my in-laws' house. Yes, they said I should come and take my wife back home. Since I'm in the country now, my wife should be in her husband's house, not in her father's house. So I will be bringing Ogugwa in tomorrow. I said, let me tell you, she has to come back.
Yes! You are a liability to me already. Huh? Now, you want to bring your wife so that you and your wife will be eating from an old man's pot. Are you not a useless boy? Aren't you?
Papa, wait. Papa, you are sounding as if I won't get any job at all. You are sounding as if this my condition will be like this forever. Papa, I don't understand you. I will still get a job, a befitting job for myself.
In fact, I don't want to see you in my house again. Yes, I don't need you in my house. You and your wife should go and look for where you will be living, not my house. You can't be a burden to me.
But you are not serious. You are not just serious.
And you are serious. You are serious? Are you? Okay. We will know who is not serious. Whether it's you or whether it's me. Go and bring her inside this house and let me show you how seriousness. Imagine, how much you carry come? How much did you bring? Did you bring money? Look at it. Lay. Come on, go inside and allow me to. Nonsense, boy. Imagine.
Baby, please. Stop crying. I know what is hurting you, but I want to tell you something. You're not a failure. You see, in this life, you will succeed. You must make it. I don't care how long it's going to take us. It's not everybody that wants to go into Yahoo or crime to make money. It's not everybody that is desperate. And you're one of those noble men out there that I know that one day God will bless them. Please, we have to live for the city. We'll just go to the city. We'll find one small house like that. We'll be living there. Then I'll start my mama put business. You know I know how to cook and people love my food. I cook very well. Before you know it, you find a menial job that you'll be doing. Before you know it, we will make it. We just have to live for the city. We cannot continue to stay here, please. Stop crying now. You're hurting me, Beacon. Eh? You know I love you so much. Please, baby. Baby, please.
My love. You're just a godsend. I know it's God that sent you to me.
And it's God that sent you to me too. It takes two. You're a very nice man. I know things are not going the way we want, but we'll definitely celebrate someday. Hmm?
Thank you very much for being part of me.
Osita, it's okay. Stop crying. You are a man. Everything that has happened is now in the past. Just man up. But I must say, your father is already regretting his actions. You need to forgive your father, and that's the most important thing. You really need to. Okay? You have to.
No one knows tomorrow. No one. But allow your time.
Hey! No! Huh?
Mama, you see this dancing that you're dancing be coming down. If you know how my father-in-law treated us when we came back from Ghana, you will understand why I'm skeptical. It's not good news, it's a good news, but...
Daughter, you should not be. Inugo, you should not be. Whatever it was, that was past. My Bible told me that all things have passed away. And behold, all things have become new. Huh?
Amen.
My dear, all those things have passed away. And everything now has become new. Okay? So forget about those things now. Past, all past tense. We're not going to continue living in past. Huh?
No problem.
God is about to change our situation. Are you not seeing it?
Mommy Gio.
Are you not seeing it? Hey!
At least she's going to get them. Rose. What is it? Eh? Why is your face like this? Can they go? Where is the money? Eh? Eh?
Anayo's account has been frozen.
Onya?
Anayo's account has been frozen by the police.
Police?
Mama, they have blocked his account. I almost got arrested by the bank.
Chalakambia, let me understand. There's no money in Anayo's account. Is that what you're trying to say?
They have blocked his account, meaning there is no money, not even one kobo.
Hey! Hey, whoa. There's no money. No money. So we're not going to eat food.
Mama, don't talk to me about food now. Do not just talk to me about food. You know, my only worry now is what my baby will eat. It's my baby's food that is my problem now, not your own. It's my baby's food. And your own. Are you sure it's not even you that brought this bad luck here? What is going on? Because since you came here, everything just went upside down. We were living peacefully, you're doing this still quietly and enjoying ourselves. You came here and everything just scattered like that. Eh? Check yourself, oh. Check yourself, oh. Check yourself, oh.
Check yourself, oh.
Hi. Agwo zokwata. Hey!
Ha! Hey!
It's 2 days since your husband was apprehended. We've not heard from him nor heard from the police. So we don't even know the true situation of things.
Mama, you see Anayo and those police people? They are the least of my worries right now. Like, whatever they want to do, let them go ahead and do it themselves. It's none of my business. My major concern right now is there's no food in this house. My baby's food has finished. And there is no money, not even 1 naira in this house.
Hey, I don't understand what you want me to do. Do you want to stab me to death that I came for Omugo? Eh? Because you should look for something to do about it too. If you don't give me food, I will just pack my bags and I will go back to the village.
Mama, you are frightening me. Why not go and fly back to the village? You are talking like as if you have money with you. Fly back to the village now. Sumeya.
But we will not continue to live like this, eh? We will not continue to live like this. You should look for something and do. You have to do something about it. Biko. There's no money in the house, there's no food. You will not sit like this. You have to do something.
As it is right now, my only hope is my best friend. Maybe I will just go to her and see if she can borrow me money, so I can buy my baby's food at least. That's my major concern. My baby's food.
Don't I need food too? Or same baby's food? Is the only baby that will eat food in this house? Eh?
Mama. As in, if I'm worrying about my child, I should worry about you.
You should worry about me too, not Madukambo.
Mama, this is a shameful act.
It is not a shameful act, anything.
Because your mate used to come to Amuka with food and money. Did I not come with food?
I came with 2 bags of yam. This your husband that is a glutton. He eats a lot. He has finished everything. Now he has finished everything. Me I'm starving. You are telling me did I not Butenia come to this place? You people will not start me here.
What is time to gain? What do you wanna gain with gossip? What joy do you want to derive from gossip? Watch your tongue, don't boast, yeah. Cause the end justify the news.
Hey, Bessie.
No one knows tomorrow.
What is it you are crying?
Please tell me, am I not beautiful enough?
What is the problem?
Do I look like someone that is under a curse or something? Why do men use me and dump me? I have not had any relationship that lasted at least 3 months. They always dump me.
Oh my God. Please don't tell me that cute boy I saw you with has broken up with you. What's that his name again?
Ifeanyi.
Yes, Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi has left me. Ifeanyi has left me.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know, but I think God is punishing me for the evil I did. And I need to confess.
You need to confess to what evil?
I need to confess. You know that thing I told you about your neighbor? Okugwa?
Yes, the idiot that was gossiping about me.
Yes.
rushing me with all the pa.
I'll be calling you now.
What is it?
Wait now. How you doing now?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Hey, how is your neighbor?
You know I have so many neighbors. Which of them are you talking about?
The fair one now, Rosaline.
Oh, the beautiful one. She's fine, no.
Beautiful one. It's not about beauty. I don't even know that girl will get married.
I don't understand. You don't know she'll get married. Is it that she's not a woman or she's not fine enough?
She's fine, but it's not all about fine.
So what are you talking about?
You don't get it. That girl, she lived a very bad life. We lived in the same street when she was staying in their family house. My dear, before her parents now moved to the village, that girl lived a very bad life.
So, this is the reason you said you don't know she'll get married?
Now, before I call. When you made an abortion, the person cannot give birth now. She has damaged her womb. In fact, all the married men in our former street slept with her.
Enough. Enough, stop it. Stop it. I cannot do this thing with you. Kosia na room na sasere. I can't believe you stopped me where I am going to do something important just to gossip and talk down on another woman. I don't tolerate it. Shh. Please, next time, don't gossip anybody to me. If you want to gossip, take it elsewhere. How can you open your mouth to say that another woman's womb is damaged? Are you this bitter? Don't try and stop me to gossip anybody. If you like gossip, look for your partners.
No be gossip. No be. She did abortion now.
A happy woman, she don't get wahala. She always there her own. They hustle for good life. Very exciting woman. She don't get wahala. But if you find her,
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Wait a minute. Sogukwa did not even say anything about me. It was you who said all the bad things about me. And you put it on her.
Yes. I said it because I was so afraid. I was so afraid she would tell the things I said about you. I had to accuse her. But my friend, I'm suffering already. Please forgive me.
You are evil. And God will double your punishment. I promise you that. So you made me fight an innocent girl.
Please forgive me.
Angela.
I'm sorry.
I will slap you. Do not touch me.
Please. I will not do it again.
Angela. You are actually the real witch. You are the real witch. You did not only ruin my life, you ruined my marriage. You ruined my relationship with God. Because
I know, but please find it. Please forgive me, I'm so afraid. God is punishing me already. Nothing is working out for me. Please don't leave me like. Please. Please forgive me. God is punishing me already. Forgive me, I'm suffering already.
no one knows to no one. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. swing, oh. Say, voila, Siri, no one goes to me.
Hey! Otu akwụwadị. Ekwe na anyo. Hey! Ekwe na anyo. So this is how people are. This is how they turn and become devil to another person. Mama, I don't know what to do to her. I don't know what to do with her. I don't know whether to kill her, poison her, or maybe send her other assassins to her so that they can just shoot her in the forehead like this for me and end this all. Wanka. So you were not even sure this why? What? Mama, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do now. To this extent? Mama, where do I start from now? I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I can't even go to Ghana to begin to explain or apologize because it's too late to apologize. I can't apologize to her now. Mama, hey God, I made a mistake. I made a serious mistake. Maybe I should have confronted Ogugwa when she told me. Yes, if I had confronted her, I believe she would have explained to me the actual truth of what happened. You didn't even tell me. I didn't even know. And I just jumped in the center of the fight. I collected everything I was fighting without knowing the truth. I couldn't have forgotten. Hey. Oh, wow.
Here comes the prince and the princess, the future king and queen of Isoko Kingdom.
You look so fine.
This life,
Neighbor.
This life,
the life no balance at all.
What is time to gain? What do you wanna gain with gossip? What joy do you want to derive from gossip? Watch your tongue, don't boast, yeah. Cause the aim justified the means. Tomorrow is far. No one knows tomorrow. No one. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. No one knows tomorrow. allow your tongue to put you in trouble.
Now one in come, you know get back to Alicia Nijaga, very hot and sweet yo. I go grab baby rice yo. I go grab baby rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. I go grab baby rice. I want to be seen as so so. I go grab baby rice. Plantain and meat is a boy. I go grab baby rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti yo. I go grab baby rice. I do you want to hide entertainment yo. I go grab baby rice. She wear them boot for leg. I go grab baby rice. She wear apron for body. I go grab baby rice. With the fine heart where they hide yo. I go grab baby rice. She dey sell and dance yo. I go grab baby rice. I go grab baby rice yo. I go grab baby rice. I go grab happy woman. She don't get wahala. She always there her own. They hustle for good life. Very exciting woman. She don't get wahala. But if you find I'm come,
she go give you wahala. She know they look your face.
If you touch her husband,
she go give you wahala.
She go give you wahala.
She know they look your face.
If you cross her lane,
she go give you wahala. She know they look your face.
If you do anyhow for her,
she go give you wahala.
She go balance you.
She know they look your face.
Oh, no before mouth.
She go give you wahala. She know they look your face.
I go grab baby rice yo. Now one in come, you know get back to Alicia Nijaga, very hot and sweet yo. I go grab baby rice yo.
I go grab baby rice.
Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you.
I go grab baby rice.
I want to be seen as so so.
I go grab baby rice.
Plantain and meat is a boy.
I go grab baby rice.
If you want the rice and spaghetti yo.
I go grab baby rice.
I do you want the entertainment yo.
I go grab baby rice.
She wear them boot for leg.
I go grab baby rice.
She wear apron leg yo.
I go grab baby rice.
With the fine heart where they hide yo.
I go grab baby rice.
She dey sell and dance yo.
I go grab baby rice.
I go grab baby rice yo.
I go grab baby rice.
I go grab baby rice yo. Now one in come, you know get back to Alicia Nijaga, very hot and sweet yo. I go grab baby rice yo.
I go grab baby rice.
Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you.
I go grab baby rice.
I want to be seen as so so.
I go grab baby rice.
Plantain and meat is a boy.
I go grab baby rice.
If you want the rice and spaghetti yo.
I go grab baby rice.
I do you want the entertainment yo.
I go grab baby rice.
She wear them boot for leg.